Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel, Magical Drawing. Subscribe to me. Let's draw and color the house together. We need these colors: blue, purple, pink, brown, yellow, orange, light green, turquoise, and green. We will draw a triangular roof. The base of the house will be square. Ground level line. The window on the right will be triangular. Rectangular door. The door handle, the window on the left will be round. Rectangular chimney. Draw a tree trunk from two parallel lines. Draw the top of the tree in any shape. Draw a crescent. And stars. forget to subscribe and like me. I will be very happy. Thank you for being with me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.